Alright guys, so you see what we have. That's a Samsung dryer, and as you can see, when you plug it in without touching or doing anything, it starts up. It runs and it does not heat. So the issue we're having with this is the board really is at fault. The relay on the board, which is under that cover, it's a Phillips screw. Remove it. Remove the wire from the holder, and you lift and you pull it out. Now I'm going to show you how you can potentially basically save the board instead of doing any repair at all. This is straightforward. This was actually at a customer's house, and I had the board on me, but I explained to her the issue and what we can do to resolve it. Now, that relay, I'm going to plug it back in, and you will see that one. It has power when it's not supposed to. You'll see it shortly. I'm going to be using my non-contact voltage pen. You can see the unit is running. Now we're tapping it. No power because it's not active anymore. Now when you turn power on, plug the unit in as normal, everything will function. Right. Wow. Right. Now, pretty straightforward. Now all you need to do, put it back and you should be good. If it keeps happening, then you will need to replace the board, or the relay on the board can be replaced. That's one way of fixing it, other than replacing the main board. Make sure your venting is not restricted. Make sure your dryer is not running for more than an hour. An hour is pushing it, and that can cause issues with the relay contact getting stuck. All right. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this helps. Hey, hold 1 second. Who is this? Oh, he can. Nah, he can.
170.
Beautiful.